All right, there we go. I'm back. Sorry, guys. The internet crashed. Unbelievable. I had to reset the router. Unbelievable. Can you guys hear me? Can everyone hear? Jesus, unbelievable. Yeah, let's let everybody get back online. I had to reset the router. Can you guys hear me? Can everybody hear me okay? Yeah. Oh, Lord. I had to go set the router again. Listen, I signed for the new house today. All right? We signed. We already started moving things in. The internet gets up there. I got 1 gig high-speed internet. I'm going to put in 2 lines of internet simply because I'm going to have 3 different streaming computers. So, yeah, this rental house, of course, they pay for the cheapest internet ever. Not only that, but my computer's also running Wi-Fi. It's not like I'm hard-lined in. Yeah, well, if they hack my router, they can have it. Shit, all they got to do is just send me a postage stamp and I'll mail my router to them. Yeah, the internet sucks. All right, let's let people get back in real quick. It's frustrating. Yeah, you can see there's a bunch of lag. There's a lot of lag in the system too. I mean, I can see the stream strength and it's horrible. All right. Okay, is everybody ready? All right, let's continue on right here. All right, let's finish with the, let's pick up where we left off, and let's take a look here. So we've pulled up, we had the 3-day. The 3-day is, this kind of looks like a falling wedge here, which is bullish, but then it flipped into a rising wedge, which is bearish. I want to pull up the 1-day. There we go. The 1-day chart is not good. So inverted, this is a big hammer candle. This was very bearish. We did get the fallout here on the daily. So we are a lot more bearish on Litecoin right now than we are on Bitcoin. There's all the support is above right now on Litecoin. Let's run this down to the 12-hour real quick. Ooh, danger on here. So this is about to close and reopen in about 40 minutes. It's going to close and reopen lower than the 7 and the 30. This could then start to move into a death cross for Litecoin. I would keep an eye on this if you are any long Litecoin positions. This is dangerous. I would, if you're going to play a long position right now, looking for the long play on BTC for that golden cross is a lot safer. This is just extremely bearish on right here. Yeah, let me pull this up. All right. Ooh, man. Wow. Yep. So, yeah, let's be really careful playing all of these positions here. Look at, there's EOS falling out, and I still have a good portion of my short open. So I still have a portion of my short open. I was waiting for that golden cross on, I'm actually waiting for the golden cross on the, oh, look at that. The 2 lines are, the Tekken is coming together, and give me a second here. Let me take a look at this. All right, watch out. Wow, look at this right here. That's crazy. That's a pretty crazy setup right there. on the 12-hour Ichi cloud. Watch out for this. This is looking very bearish. It's looking bearish to me. I'm not really that versed in Ichi. I have very limited knowledge. I use it to the best of my ability. Okay, here's our back to our 12-hour. Once again, looking to break below the 7. And I told you this already. This can come down, and this, if this crosses over, we're just looking to play this right back up. Okay. All right. So this is where we're at. We're just looking to play the golden cross back up for a bounce. I'm very tentative on how strong this cross will be. Okay. And let's look at Ethereum. Let's pull up our Ethereum chart, and whoa, not good on the 4-hour. So the 4-hour, watch out on the 4-hour. This will be setting up for a death cross. And so we just take a look at that. Look at the support on the 50 right there. So BTC is just falling out of the sky right now. Yeah. See where we can find our support levels. So you can see that it's trying to hold on the 50 MA right there. And there goes Bitcoin. Wow, there it goes. That's awesome. Let's pull up our charts here. There it goes. Bubble chart has it rolling over. Bubble chart has it rolling over. Now watch out. This is the bounce zone. So it's headed down to try to catch the bounce zone right here. And looks like we bounced off of, so here's our Bitcoin right here. Came down. This did not land on substantial support. There is a little bit of support right here. You can see it right here. So there it is, right. Let's call that right there. So this purple line, you got a wick. Almost a wick. You got 2 bodies, and this is very, very weak support right here. If this does continue to fall, like I said, so if you go back, look at that, 66.20. So if you go back to my chart, and let's see if we can pull this bad boy up. Here you go. So if you go back to my chart, I was looking for support right there below 66.20. And there it is, 66.20. Oh, we're almost there. So the support is sitting right just a little bit below it. Let's be very careful. Support is actually down at 66.05. So it has a little support down here at 66.05. Let's watch this. If this closes or reopens, it could bounce down lower. But now, if you are playing this, I would be very, very, very careful playing this. I would be looking at all right, so look at that, came down on our daily on the Bitstamp and perfectly tagged us right on the 7 MA. Perfectly. So on Bitstamp, we came down right to 66.24. 66.22. So we're sitting right here on this, just holding it. That's all that's holding this up right now. So let's watch out. Let's just make sure that we are playing this this 12-hour as this 12-hour. Here it is, right here. Let's make sure we're playing this 12-hour as a scalp right here and nothing else. Okay, that's all you're doing. Wow, some wicked, wicked candles right here on BTC. I love it. All right, so our longs are starting to fall out. Like I said, we should be expecting a long squeeze here at some point. I'm completely expecting a long squeeze, but not with this golden cross. I want to see this golden cross happen. I'm telling you, we can still get a little pushback up. Just like I said in the last, just a few minutes ago, this can fall down. You can get a little bit of pushback up. Once this passes though, then we'll see. It'll be very weak. Once these 2 MAs are not there directly together to support the price, it then becomes weaker. See, it's easier to break through MAs when they're separated. That's when it is easier no matter what direction you're going in. It's super hard to break through them when they're together. All right, so great. I love all the action we're getting. This is awesome. And let's take a couple questions. And look at EOS right now. Let me pull up my EOS chart. Let's see if I can go find my EOS chart. Now my computer crashed. Hold on, I got the whole family, the dog and everybody. Hold on. All right, the dog is like, feed me or I will revolt. All right, so let's take a look at EOS right now. Oh, that's Ethereum. Here we go. Whoo, man. Look at that. Whoo, that's ugly. Man, glad I kept my some of my short open. That is amazing. I must be at like 200% right now on my short. Okay, let me pull my short up real quick. Hold on. Jesus, Benezus. Give me a second. Let me log in right here. Holy cow. 212%. Okay, don't judge me. I used cross, so I never use cross. I accidentally did a cross trade here. Right? Unbelievable. Wow, I'm at 216% on my short right now. That's just incredible. Unbelievable. It's going to be like a record for me. And I want you to know with cross just sucks. It was totally an accident. I meant to do a 3x short. I suck. Yes, yeah. All right, so Rob says, hey, why isn't BTC on the golden cross? Because here it is. It hasn't crossed, buddy. See that? Has not crossed. There it is. We have not crossed yet. This has to cross, just like it did here. Just like it did here. This has to cross. And if this dumps below here, this all of a sudden makes this a death cross. All right, just a few minutes ago, I reiterated. I said, hey, got to watch this, right? You got to move the goalposts. As this price adjusts, you got to move the goalposts on this. I just said it. I said if this drops below here, all you do is you shift your trade, and we'll all just shift to a short trade. And I even said, a high leverage short trade. Yeah, this is awesome. Dude, I'm super excited on EOS. That's awesome. I actually closed out a third of that too. Big sad face. Big sad face. Might be a good scalp. Yeah, so let's pull. Oh my God, look at EOS. Everybody's dying right now. Okay, don't forget my targets. I'm not moving anything. Guys gonna have to go back. Yeah, that's vicious right there. Now, EOS does have a lot, Litecoin does have a lot of support down here at $78. 78, 71. Does have a lot of support. But if this death cross happens, which on the 12 hours still a day away from happening, this could accelerate if this does drop a little faster. So let's keep an eye on this. This would be another great trade setup for you. Right here, this would be a really great trade setup if you get a death cross on Litecoin. Let's pull up the daily on EOS and see where this is at. Now, crosses are not going to help you on EOS right now. Let's pull this down to a 4-hour. Nope. Now, you are still only on a 9 on the 4-hour, okay? Remember, this 9 can keep bleeding. This can just keep bleeding out, so be very careful, please, playing this. If you are trying to catch a bottom right here, let's be careful. If you are trying to catch the bottom, how we're trying to time this is we're trying to time it with this golden cross that's closing up in 30 minutes. Look at the golden cross from February 21st. It resulted in a dump. 21st of February. 21st of February. Give me a second. 21st of February. All right, so here it is right here. Here's the cross right here. Yes, it did. So let's take a look right here. Yes, yeah. So this cross happened. Now, if you are too far below the price, you have very little. So actually, let's look at this cross. Let's zoom in on this cross. This cross actually made a scalp. So look, so the price was down. Here was the price. This you're incorrect. What happened was you got a 700 and let's call it 700 point bounce, right? So what happened was if you would have got in on this cross right here, this would have bounced 700 points the following day, and it would have been an amazing scalp trade. This would have been a perfect scalp. And who asked that question? Blue Bone. Blue Bone. There you go. Yeah, Blue. So if you take a look here, the cross did work. And that's, once again, that's what I just said. I just said, hey, over here, where we're at, same thing applies. You know, this can fall out, and we don't. It doesn't have to bounce. There's nothing that says this has to bounce higher than the previous high. All it does is we're just saying it's going to come down, and the cross will happen, and we will get an up move as a scalp. I can't believe I've said that over and over and over again. Scalp, 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 scalp. Volatility is so much higher up there. You know, I agree. People were probably more panicky back in February. I mean, Jesus, I was in that. That was part of my, I just want you to know that if you go back to right here and you go right up in here to, where's that February? Where's February at? Here we go. Where are we? Right here. So one of these streaks right here, this is me, and I start screaming here, and I'm like, ah! And then I cry. I held myself right here. I was just holding myself in my bed, curled up like a little ball in my coffin. I was actually in my coffin, holding myself tightly because I'd lost $6,000 from here to here. Welcome to trading. It was somewhere in here. One of these red streaks is my blood. All right, has anybody got any questions? All right, let's take a, listen, if you guys, no one's got any questions, the dog has a question. My dog has a question, at least the dog has a question. All right, this candle's closing out in 20 minutes. 20 minutes here. And let's go take a look how this daily candle is going to close out. Ooh, Okay, if this candle closes out all the way down here at 65.58, this is going to close as an inverted hammer. This is a very bullish hammer. All right? And I would like to go back one more time. And I would like everybody, hold on a second. I would like everybody to say, yes, Vamp, you were right. Can I get a yes, Vamp, you're right? Can I get an amen? Huh? Can I get a subscribe? Can I get a like? Can I get a wow, you're the freaking man, Vamp? Can I get anything? Now, did this play out exactly how I expected? No. I just thought it was going to go here and dump. But that was but I did call out the rising wedge. I called this out pretty good. But no, this will turn out to be, if this drops down, this will turn out to be an inverted hammer, and then I will completely expect one more pushback up. I am still expecting a pushback up with the golden, with our 12 hour. So this, let's watch this candle close here. It's very close. 20 minutes to go to watch this candle close. And what we need to be watching for here is I will be watching to place a long trade here, right? I'll be looking to place a little long trade here and catch this as a scalp. And watch, it came down, bounced up, came down. Really good bounce. But this, you know, we saw this was creating a falling wedge. You know, we'd already called this out. We'd already called that out. Where's that chart? Dang it. So I need to organize my damn charts. And yeah, so we're looking good right now. Yeah. All right. Has anybody got any other questions? I think we're looking good. I think it's been a good day. Another good day. Another good day trading. That's all that counts. All right, let me see. Let me pull up my other charts here. Just want to make sure I don't have anything additional to add. There we go. So this is the chart I had up right here. So we knew this was a bullish falling wedge right here. So we had that called out. Now, listen, everybody. We are so close to this golden wedge right here, to this golden crossover. That's all I'm saying. Let's just be very careful if you guys are playing this out. Let's be very, very careful here, okay? That's it. You've got 20 minutes to this, possibly these two MAs touching. Now, if they don't touch, we just have to wait again, right? That's all we got to do. We just got to wait again. What two moving averages are about to cross, please? This would be the 50. The 50 is orange. The 30 is white. You said bullish. Do you mean bearish? This is bullish. This falling wedge right here was bullish. So if you look back over on my other chart, so this is a falling wedge, falling bullish wedge. Falling wedges are bullish. Rising wedges are bearish. So we're coming down right here, and it is, let's take a look at the support here. I've called out the support on the daily. It went down and it pegged it perfectly. So look at that right there. Look at this. Look at 66.20. Now remember, this MA was a little bit lower. So once again, 66.20. Standing ovation. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'll be here all week. I do accept tips from Taco. Taco, I accept tips. You can give, don't eat yellow snow. It's a good one. All right. Where's your stop loss right now? For which trade? I'm in a short trade right now. So if I was once I do jump in a long trade right here, I will be looking at a stop loss based on the 12-hour. I'll be looking. I want to see this candle close. So once this so I'm hesitant to jump into a long trade, right? Until these two, I confirm these two touch. I want this. See this? That is what I want to see. I want to see that. Show me touchy, and then I'll show you a long positioned opened. Vamp Satoshi, man. That's right. Thank you, Blue. Thank you, Haka. Man, super exciting. Love being right. Love nailing these calls. This is so much fun. Seriously. This is more fun than trading, guys. Like, making the calls and having the stuff happen the right way is way more fun than trading. No touchy. Already had my son. Now you have my... Lee, thanks, buddy. Trust me, I don't want any more damn kids. Kids are too expensive. Kids and young wives, okay? I would make a short trade on my wife if I could. She's half my age. Then why pull up the inside bar chart? This was an inside bar right here. This completely was an inside bar, right? This was still an inside bar. Yeah, seriously. Yeah, I gave my daughter a really cool name. Okay, you're funny. All right, do we have anything else? Yeah, there you go, Lee. All right, guys, listen. Please, right? All I ask, give me a shout out, give me a follow. We're trying to save one person every day from the really, really crappy TA that is out there, right? The same TA that got me into a pickle. We're here, we're making amazing calls every day. My partner, Until 1 Mil, making amazing calls every day. I'm making amazing calls. Spread the word. Get on Twitter. Give me a shout out. The goal is to save one person every day from another crappy Twitter TA person sucking the life out of them, frivolously wasting their life savings, whether it's $500 or it's $5,000 or $500,000. It's just not fair, right? Oh, sorry. Inside bar charts are bearish. Sorry. Inside bar's bearish. I meant to say bearish. Sorry. Yes, inside bar charts are bearish. I think that's it. I think another great day, another good day trading. Let's just watch this. Listen, this is an easy setup, everybody. This is an easy setup right here, right? We called the scalps win. We called where we were going win. We're looking good here. We're all, everything today is looking really good. Let's just be safe, everybody, okay? Everybody just be safe. Yes, I am going to be flipping to, when I do see this golden cross, I will be flipping into a short scalp, right? I will be flipping into a short scalp here. Okay, this is super critical. This is gonna happen, and it will give us a pop. Now, once again, this could fall down. There's nothing says that this can't drop all the way down to 6,500 right here. Nothing at all. This can just totally just keep bombing out. Then we'll get the pop, and then we'll get a little bit of a run up, and it does not have to go all the way up. You're just looking to play this as a scalp. Look at this. If you got into this as a long trade right here, right, you're doing great. You're doing amazing. If you're just sitting in that trade, you're just killing it. You never would have got stomped out of this trade right here. Long scalp for a short time. Good. Yep, loopy loo. Exactly. That's a good. I like the way you put that. A long scalp for a short time. Do you stream us? You know what? I'm trying to do a frog. I'm trying to get the right here as the day closes. I'm trying to do a 5 o'clock stream my time, which is a midnight UTC, so we can get the daily close. I like doing the daily close area for a stream. It's good. It's good. It's convenient for everybody. It gives us the daily close, gives us a good setup for the next following trading day. Yeah, I went on last night. I did a secret stream in the middle of the night. There was like 35 people on. There was just 35 people just chilling out watching, and I just kind of hopped on, made that call. I made the EOS call last night. It was completely in secret. I made that EOS call. I made that on our VIP chat. If you look on our VIP chat, I said, hey, I'm going to look to pull a long trade on EOS. I'm letting this death cross happen. I said, let the death cross happen, and then we'll go long on EOS. And I flipped I went to a short on EOS, and you guys can see I put it on already. And like I said, I'll put it up again as soon as we get off. I'll post it up on Twitter. You'll see it's at like 200, 200 and some percent right now. Yeah, I'm mad at myself. Yeah, Lee, you know what? I'm having fun doing this. Super amazing stuff coming, guys. And then like the next 10 days, super amazing stuff. I'm going to have 3 separate live streams running. I'm actually going to go buy another piece of junk Alienware computer. All right. So I'm going to get a second piece of junk boat anchor. And the second piece of junk boat anchor is going to... So what we're going to do is one chart... so just to give you an idea, so one chart will have all of this information. And unfortunately, guys, all this charting right here that you see right now before you will be on the members charting area. And then I'll have an alt charting area. So you'll have one stream that just has the bubble charts and everything. Runs 24-hour day. The second chart will be like this. And this will be basically a public setup chart like this. I'll have some small calls, some small things on it, but all the detail will be on this chart just like this. So you can see all the detail of the information on here. The second chart, the second live stream will have EOS, Litecoin, Ethereum, and one other alt streaming. I'll also be setting up a weekly podcast, and I'm excited to announce that. And it will be it's going to have 2 really good little coins. It'll be 2 low cap coins, or we will have 1 ICO and a coin, or 2 coins, or 2 ICOs. Just some really good information of things that we are going to pop, that we think are going to pop, give you guys a little bang for your buck. Either holds, or we're either going to give you some good holds, or we're going to give you some good, some quick buys with high nets. Oh, thank you very much, Guillermo. I appreciate it. Guillermo just said, I am a Emmer effer. What MAs does Chris use? I use the 7, 30, 50, 100, 128, and 200. Yep. And I only use MAs. I do not use DMAs, EMAs. I don't use anything like that. Galero, are you okay, buddy? You okay? Yeah, the 128 is random. Pull it up on your daily chart, follow it back, watch my other videos, and you'll see the daily. The 128 is the most amazing daily line you will ever see. Bernard, thank you very much, buddy. What are the colors again? Royal blue for the 7. Royal blue for the 7. Orange for the 50. White for the 30, please. Yellow for the 128. Purple for the 100. And red for the 200. Yeah, so it's the brand new house. I just signed on a brand new house this morning. We've been building a house for 2 years now. We've been building a house for 2 years. Do you show your method in training? Yes. So when I do my one-on-one calls for bull members and vamps and whales in our package area, so whales can call anytime. Bulls, I try to limit the bull calls to 15 minutes to half hour. The vamps can call as many times as they want also. Just walked in the door, buddy. 15-hour day. Build some. Oh, nice. Crypto, good news. I made great trades today. Crypto Light, how you doing, buddy? Awesome. I'll upload the video really quick for everybody, okay? Yep, I will. So what I'll do is let me get going out of here. We are going to go have Red Lobster, taking the family to Red Lobster. My daughter loves that place. She says, I want the lobster place, Dad, the lobster place. All right, another good day. Thank you all so much, man. I really appreciate you all being here. Please, 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 give me a shout out on Twitter, please. Give me a follow. Help me get the FFs out there, and really Help me save everybody. All right. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm going to eat Red Lobster on my EOS money. The Royal Feast it is. Oh, good. Hey, Grandma. Dude, I love Brazil, man. Love Brazil. You guys are amazing crypto heads down in Brazil, man. I tell you what, the crypto family in Brazil and in Australia is so strong. Those guys are just so amazing. It's great to see people from all over the world so excited about crypto every single day. And with that, I'm going to sit here. I'm going to dump this down for you guys to watch the video. I'm going to say thank you all very much and trade safely. This is the Vamp, and I am out.